Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the Christmas Tupperware kit. Before we get into that, I'm doing a giveaway, or Super Clean is doing a giveaway through my channel for the Super Clean Degreaser and the Super Clean Degreaser aerosol can, as well as a Super Clean hat. So if you want a chance to win that, go ahead, leave a like, comment, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and go ahead and share the video. And I'll enter you into the drawing. I'll be announcing the winner on the 20th. Good luck to everybody. And yeah, let's get into this video. Here, just have the basic, I'm gonna send you home food for the holidays, sweetie. Tupperware kit, or Tupperware container, the one that you never return. Usually goes to die and ends up in the trash somewhere. Here, it's a basic bowl, great dish for collecting water. Right on top, we have our first aid kit. This is a first aid kit I like to switch between a lot of my kits. It's very basic, but it's very effective. We have our basic bandages for the larger sizes, as well as some butterfly bandages or sutures. We have aspirin. We have some triple antibiotic ointment, Metalite. We have sting relief, sunscreen, non-aspirin, so ibuprofen, which was what I was told in the last one. Then we have actual ibuprofen, or this is acetaminophen. And this is lip balm. Then you have a black bag that comes with that. We have a little neck scarf here that works as a face mask as well. This can be used just as basic clothing, just to keep you away from the elements, away from the wind or the sun, or even warm. As well as used as a signaling device, first aid, anything like that. This kit, I threw a little net in here, so we have a little foraging bag that actually has a fish hook in it. A little foraging bag, as well as something to stick everything in once you're using this bowl. For signaling, we have a basic signal mirror out of a Hunter's camo pack. Just cut the top off there, works very good. We have a wire saw. I know a lot of people don't like me putting these in the kits, but it does strengthen you, you know. Even though it won't work for long, it will give you some kind of strength. Even if you don't use it for a saw, you can use it as a weapon or some sort or something like that. Here, we have a little basic fishing kit, a little reel with some line, sinkers, lures, not lures, leads, hooks. Excuse me, guys. And for cover, we have a rain poncho. This kit is more or less built for summer, so there's not too many hand warmers or anything like that. There's not a huge thing about fire. Here we have a light stick, or a chem stick, to be used for signaling. If you put it on some cordage, you start whipping around the air, you create a nice circle that's very visible from the sky, or from your searchers. Here we have ferro rod, nice full ferro rod, no magnesium, with a striker. Here we have a tin, and in a second, we have our magnification lens. Sorry guys, everything's just a little bit wet here. Our Venture survival equipment. At the bottom, we have 2 emergency Mylar survival blankets. These are for night in the summer, because sometimes it does tend to get cold, especially if you're in a valley or something like that. For navigation, we have a basic compass. Works just fine. For cutting, we just have our basic razor. We're not going to be doing anything major with this, but it's effective enough. Purification of water, we have some purification tablets, as well as 2 water-activated towelettes. These can be used for water filtration, basic hygiene, marking trails, signaling, first aid even. Then you have your bowl, your bucket, collecting water, foraging, and whatnot. We have an additional wire saw, so if your first one does break, you have a backup. Then we have a survival card, which has a little fork or spearhead, an arrowhead, 2 line gatherers, and a plethora of hooks. Here's just a basic whistle, works just fine, nice and lightweight. For water collection, I have 2 Ziploc bags, as well as this bowl and this bowl. And if you're carrying a water bottle, that will be an additional water carrying utility. Here we have some duct tape for gear repair or fire starting. For fire starting, we have a booklet of matches, as well as a mini Bic lighter. For shelter making or gear repair, we have some snare wire, as well as a sewing kit, gear repair. And then some bank line right here to use with the hooks, so you can go fishing or you can make a shelter with it, whatever you need to do. And then we have our tin. So you can boil water in, collect water, cook food in, collect, do whatever you need to. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And don't forget to enter the giveaway for the Super Clean. Again, the 20th is when I'm going to announce the winner. Good luck to everybody. Thank you guys for watching the video. Have an amazing day.